Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix unsupported file type or unsupported file problem on WhatsApp. So if you are also getting through this kind of error, then don't worry, as in this video I will show you how to get rid of it. So what you need to do is, first you need to check the server status of WhatsApp. So for that, go to Google Chrome, and here you need to search for WhatsApp server status. After that, click on the first link that you get, and here you should check if there is any downtime going on. If any downtime is there for WhatsApp, you need to wait for some time, and after that try to open the PDF and see if it's opening or not. If not, next you need to check if there is any update available for WhatsApp. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for WhatsApp, and here you should check if there is any update. If any update is there, simply update your WhatsApp and then check if you can open the file on your app. If not, then what you need to do is simply go to settings. After that, go to app section over here. Then here you can see three dot. You simply need to click over here and then click on show system apps. Now in the search bar, you need to search for Google Play services. Now here you need to first click on force stop option and then click on OK. So after force stopping the Google Play services app, you need to clear the cache of that. So simply click on storage and cache option, and here you need to click on clear cache option. After clearing the cache, now you should check if you have allowed all permissions or not. So if you have not allowed the permissions, kindly do that, and after that come back, and then you need to restart your device once. So for that, simply press the volume up plus power button, and here you can see restart option. You simply need to click on restart option. So after restarting your device, open WhatsApp and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you need to take help from the support team. For that, need to open WhatsApp. After that, click on three dot icon, then click on settings. After that, go below. Here you can see help option. Click on help, then click on help center, and after that you can see there are several articles from where you can take help, or you can take help from the above topics, that is chats, connect with business, voice and video calls, or others, or simply you can click on contact us option. So this will take you to the WhatsApp support page where you can easily explain what are the issue you are facing, and hopefully the issue will be resolved by the support team. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.